Hello, and we're going to talk about stems. So in the last few videos, over the last few days, we've been talking about different parts of the plant, and today we're going to talk about stems. So on this plant, we have a stem right here. This long, skinny green thing is a stem. This is a stem. And so each plant, the stems look different, but the job of the stem is the same. Its job is to hold the plant upright, and it's also responsible for bringing nutrients from the roots that are in the ground up to the other parts of the plant, including the leaves and the flower. So the stem is very important. One way to think about the stem is to think of it like a straw. So we talked about how the roots are kind of like a sponge. They soak up things that are around them, like water and nutrients from the soil. The stem is like a straw. It brings things up to the flower and the leaves. So this small skinny green thing right here is a stem. Here's a picture of a stem close up. So you can see here is the stem. It holds the plant upright and brings nutrients from the soil to other parts of the plant. So we're going to read a book about stems.
Stems. Stems are parts of plants. There are two main types of stems. There are woody stems and there are herbaceous stems.
So if we look at this picture, this is a picture of a tree, and the tree's trunk is a stem. It looks very different than the stems we were looking at earlier, but this is also a stem. It holds the plant upright and brings nutrients from the soil up to other parts of the tree. So this is a stem, while this little green thing over here is also a stem.
Woody, herbaceous. Woody stems are covered in bark. Trees and bushes have woody stems.
So again, here's another picture of a tree. This is its stem. Right here is the stem. Brings nutrients from the soil to other parts of the plant.
Herbaceous stems are green. They are not as strong as woody stems. The stem of a flower is one example.
All right, so let's go back. So in this picture right here, these little green skinny things that are right here are stems.
Herbaceous stems are green. A cactus can have either type of stem. A cactus's stem is hollow. It stores water. Stem jobs. Stems are important. Stems store food. They also feed plants. They pull nutrients from roots.
So it says right here that they pull nutrients from the roots. So the roots are in the ground, like we talked about in a previous video, and they soak up nutrients from the soil, and the stem brings it to other parts of the plant.
Leaves grow from stems. Stems keep leaves upright. This is so they can find light.
So we'll talk about leaves in a later video and talk about why it's important for leaves to find the light of the sun. But again, stems keep the plant upright.
Plants need light to grow and make food. Stems give some of this food to soil. This makes soil rich. Flowers grow from stems. Stems keep flowers upright too. Insects can easily spot flowers. They land on flowers to eat nectar.
So again, the stem holds the plant upright, and it also holds the flower upright so that insects can easily find it.
Some stems have thorns. Thorns protect plants. No animal wants to eat them. Stem type.
All right, so as a reminder, stems are another part of a plant. They hold the plant upright and they bring nutrients from the soil to other parts of the plant. And again, a way to think about a stem is that it's kind of like a straw. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out and we'll be talking about other parts of plants in future videos.